Hello, hi. Today I'm going to do unboxing of John Barrel 8-inch trolley speaker. Okay. Actually, I already done unboxing since I want to show to you as a video for the peoples other than Tamilians. Okay. Otherwise, I'm interested doing Tamil only. Well, this is a 8-inch trolley speaker I want to show. Okay, see how it look like. Its name is trolley speaker. I think so. It's 8-inch only. Trolley speaker means we can't move here and there. Like basically, it don't have any tires. Well, but for transportation, it is very easy. We can handle. It is very easy transportable. We can handle this. We can use this for any parties and all. We can move easily from one place to another place. Not basically it can be used for parties and all. Okay. Now I am going to give the specifications. Okay. Okay. Basically this is woofer. Okay, 8-inch high efficiency woofer, and it also have Bluetooth receiver. You can also use this with the help of Bluetooth. But another one is it also has USB port. I will show backwards how it is available. Okay, this is a volume power, and this is a volume power button. We can start it from this. This also acts as a button to switch on, and second one is mic. Mic afterwards I will show you. Okay, this is aux cable. We can also use aux cable like in laptop connecting device. Okay, this is a forward backward rewind button and all, and this is mode button. I will tell what is the mode. Okay, and all. This is USB port, already I said, and there is a small port like this. We can use directly memory card. Don't use of any card reader and all. And this is a charge. This is a charger, DC, 5 volt to 2 amps fast charging. And this is a mic adjuster, and this is echo adjuster. Okay. This is a mode button. Actually, first I will start and show you. Okay.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay. Defaultly it will come Bluetooth mode, and then if we press again,
FM mode.
automatically it will go to FM mode,
Line in mode.
and after that it will come to aux cable. Okay, aux cable mode, and again if we press mix,
Bluetooth mode.
it will come to Bluetooth mode. Okay, this is this is already set to thing. And also this is a volume. We can increase the volume through this button, and also it acts as a switch on and switch off things. We have charger also with this. Okay, this is the charger we can use for this. And another thing, there is also one mic. This is the okay. We can also use it as a announcer for any announcing, and also for karaoke function we can use this mic. Okay, option is given. We can plug this mic in this port, and also with this one remote is given by the John Barrel. Okay, any other thing? Yeah, this is the, I think so it is manual. Yeah, manual is given, the functioning and all, and after then the warranty card also given. The John Barrel, I think so John Barrel is not available in Amazon or Flipkart for 8-inch trolley speaker. I searched, but today I bought in shop. Okay. Okay, this is the thing they are given, the mic. We can use this mic like this. We can switch on the thing, and we can also do adjustment for mic volume. Okay. Okay, I switched it off, and I will show forward. Okay, this is the forward position. Now I am just doing switch on, how it glows.
Bluetooth mode.
And this is the thing I want to show you. Okay, if I want to play means just I will place hold.
Bluetooth mode.
Place hold, just I will connect through Bluetooth and I will show how it plays. Okay, here that I want to show you. See, it is in Bluetooth mode. I just switch on Bluetooth mode. Okay, I'm just playing the song now. Okay, see how the audio quality is. Okay, I thought you have been saw all the things with this John Barrel trolley speaker. These are the items. One the thing, and second one is charger, and third one is mic, and the fourth one is remote. Okay, I already used. Those who are willing to purchase John Barrel, see this review. If you are okay, you can just go and go the thing with the John Barrel. Okay. According to me, this is very good. Mainly, it is very useful for parties and all. Okay. And the last one benefit is we can use this speaker as a wireless. This is no need of wire and all. Once it's recharged means it will give backup up to 2 hours. For me, for this speaker, for me this is giving 2 hours. I checked only once. Okay, that's then this is the review. That's it. Okay, bye.